Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing a rear tire and tube on this electric scooter. The existing tire has got a puncture and it's beyond repair. So what we have done is we bought this new tire and a tube from online, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this tire. It's a fairly easy process, so we're just gonna start doing it step by step. In order to change the tire and tube, we'll have to take the wheel off. Axle bolt is here behind the reflector, so I just gonna use this blade to remove the reflector. So you just slide this blade in like this, just like that, and the reflector just comes off. I've taken the left hand side reflector off, so now I'm gonna take the right hand side reflector as well. So again I'm gonna use the blade. It's gonna slide it in just like that, and that's how the reflector comes off. Okay, I've taken the right hand side bolt off, so now I'm gonna do the left hand side bolt. Again, it's gonna be the same procedure. Allen key will do the job. Just gonna remove the washers. Right friends, now we're gonna undo these two bolts. Again, it's the Allen key ones. So right, there you go friends, I've taken the wheel off. So now we need to remove the tire. There you friends, I've taken the old tire off. It's pretty much worn out, and it's got a nail here, as you can see in the video. Just gonna put the new tire into the ring. Right guys, I've fitted the new tire and the tube, so I'm just going to inflate the tire now. I'm going to put the tire back into its place. So just going to slide the wheel in. Just going to secure the axle bolts on both sides. Just going to secure the rear mudguard arms. Okay, this is nicely secured now, and just gonna put the reflector covers. Right guys, I've fitted the reflector casing. Now I'm gonna fit the reflector. There you go. That's that done. Right friends, there you go. I've replaced the tire on this scooter. Thank you very much for watching the video.